Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I want to show you how to replace the inside dome light. It's going to be a very simple job. I can do it, you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So right up in behind this plastic right here is where the dome light actually is. You just need to get up in here. I use a pocket screwdriver, and there's like a little hatching right there. Let's grab it. There's one right there. We'll take down the lens cover. It's not broken or cracked. If it was, you could replace it. This one looks fine. We'll set it aside. Right up in here is where the bulb is. So to get that out, just use your pocket screwdriver once again. Grab this. Let's see. I can get it down. Oh, there it is. Somewhere down here. Ah. Got it. So that's what our dome light bulb looks like. It's not just a regular light bulb. There it is. Just take a look at it. If it's not working, it's probably burnt. This one was working. I just wanted to show you how to remove and replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it. Just going to go up in here. I'm going to start with the passenger side, and then I'm going to slide it up into the driver's side. The driver's side has kind of like a little tension prong on it, so that's why I'm going to start over here. Let's see if I can get my fingers up in there, and then I'm just going to help the bulb up, just like that. Give it a little test. That looks good. Okay. Grab our lens. Obviously, we want to line up the slot with where the switch is. Probably don't have to say that, but I will anyway. And then we'll just take this, start it in on one side, get it up there, test it one more time. Looks good. So there you are. Easy peasy. Thanks for checking in.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.